Hey, I can't figure out how to turn in this assignment on Google Classroom. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need to know?
Chromebook hacks for the new classroom.
Hey there! Today I'm going to give you some tips for doing your schoolwork in Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a free service that Google developed to help teachers and students communicate and exchange files easily. These days, all the cool schools are using it. If your teacher is using Google Classroom, here's some tips to get you up to speed. First, let's talk about the basics: signing in and joining class. Before you join a class, make sure you're signed in under the right Google account. If your teacher sent you a class link, click it and press join. If you have a class code, go to classroom.google.com and click the plus sign at the top of the screen. Enter the class code from your teacher and click join. You can see all your classes on the main screen in Google Classroom. Click one and it will take you to the class page. This page is called the stream. It's where your teacher posts announcements and reminders. You can also use the stream to ask questions or leave comments on other people's posts. Now, go to the top and click the Classwork tab. This is where your assignments will be posted. Here's the one for my science paper. Click View Assignment and the directions will be at the top of the screen. If you have a question for your teacher about the assignment, click the box below and type in your question. On the right, there's a box that says Your Work. Underneath it, you can click Add or Create, which brings up a menu. From here, you can choose the app that your teacher wants you to use to create the assignment. In this case, I need Google Docs to write my paper. Once your assignment is done, go back to the assignment page, make sure your work is attached, and click Turn In. If your teacher wants you to take a quiz, you'll find it on the classwork page. Click on the assignment and it will take you to the quiz. Fill it out and click Send. Sometimes your teacher will post a question that you have to answer. It could be multiple choice, or you might need to type a short answer. You'll find the question listed with other kinds of assignments on the classwork page. Click on it, enter your answer, and click Turn In. Wondering how you did on an assignment? Here's how to check your grades. There are a couple of ways to do this. If you want to see your grades on a specific assignment, go to the classwork page and click on the assignment. Here, you can see your grade and also read any comments your teacher sent you. If you want to see all your grades at once, go back to the classwork page and click View Your Work. This brings up a list of all your assignments. If you want to see only the assignments that have been graded, click Returned. From here, you can also see any comments your teacher left you on a specific assignment. Just click the little comment icon and there it is. Before I go, here are a few more pro tips for using Google Classroom. While Google Classroom works best on your Chromebook, you can also connect on other devices like a smartphone. This can be handy for checking grades and keeping up with assignments where you're not in class. You'll just need to log in with the same school account. Google Classroom's to-do list can be your secret superpower for staying organized. To find it, click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner of the main screen. Then choose To Do from the menu. A list will appear with all your current assignments and when each one is due. This lets you see everything in one place and it's guaranteed to relieve your parents' stress, unless it shows a long list of overdue assignments. There's also a calendar which you can access from the main screen, showing your weekly schedule of classes and assignments. And now you know how to use Google Classroom. Did you figure out how to submit your assignment? Awesome!
Hey school IT gals and guys, if you want to raise your Chromebook game, drop by samsung.com/anywhereclassroom for resources on Chromebook management, how to win funding, and lesson plans that work great, whether you're in person, remote, or hybrid.
Wait a minute, don't go yet. I want to tell you about Samsung's Solve for Tomorrow. It's a contest that challenges students in grades 6 through 12 from across the nation to show how STEM can improve their communities. Just by applying, your teacher will get free professional development opportunities, and schools win prizes as they advance in the contest. For more information, visit samsung.com/solvefortomorrow. Okay, bye!